This year I started off the new year on the wrong foot, but we'll get into that. In this video, we're going to be cleaning and resetting my life to get it back on track. And I'm just gonna show you guys the stuff I don't show in my normal videos. Like, this is tea. Got a little ASMR satisfying moment because this video is about to be super satisfying. Hey guys, I have not vlogged in the new year yet, so let's catch up for a second because the last time I talked to you guys like this was during Vlogmas. So there were some things that happened, which is why I took off accidentally for a week. First thing that happened was that after the holidays, everyone in my family got COVID. Everyone. Even Nate. But I'm not gonna lie, like being quarantined at the start of 2022 and like experiencing New Year's by myself, and I don't know, it just like kind of started off the year in like a really bad headspace. I'm so thankful I didn't get sick, but it definitely spiraled into a mini depressive episode. Like the apartment got bad. Everyone is now testing negative. Yeah, everything's good so far. But this vlog is gonna be different than any other vlog I've done before because I actually started filming this 2 weeks ago when I was in quarantine and sleeping on the couch. I cleaned and then I didn't finish the video because we felt backwards a little bit. We stopped cleaning and now I'm picking it back up because I feel like this week I finally have got my shit together for 2022. But yeah, I pretty much had like a kind of sad start of 2022 and that is not the tone I want to set for this year. We have a show in LA in 10 days? Like literally what the heck. I'm gonna be meeting you guys and singing for you guys, performing an exclusive song. Yes, I have a new single coming out. I've had a string of narcissists, losers, liars, idiots, I can't take them serious. We have a lot that's coming. This is the year that I call Fearless Nikki. We have so many plans for 2022, guys. In this video, we are going to declutter, deep clean, get my life together. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys back to right after Christmas. So it got cold in here, so I'm wearing my Lizzie and Miranda crew neck sweatshirt. I pretty much have to do my dishes. It's kind of disgusting. I wonder where all my glasses go. They're all in here. Like literally every single glass is in here.
My hair is turning white. That's what my barber tells me. So you know it seems kind of fitting for living life at night. I tried to find a payphone.
Okay, the dishes took a while. If you guys look at the top of my fridge, that has been irking me so bad. I'm short as fuck, so I'm probably gonna climb the counter, try to take everything down so that way it's fresh. I want this kitchen to not be cluttered. That's my goal.
Like a cloud in a desert sky, but then some vultures found me singing.
Guys, I found a candle up there that's never been used. It smells woodsy and vanilla. I'm gonna light this and put it on my new clean counter.
I keep on looking.
Something a lot of you guys don't give a shit about if you're not an adult is this. I can't stand this. I'll show you guys what this is. None of my kitchenware goes together. So instead of using this, I'm going to use my new kitchenware that all matches. Happy New Year to me. All right, we're back in present time. My assistant slash BFF Haley's here. We are going to go through this. I'm Can we talk about my hoarding for a second?
Nikki has a problem. If anything is linked to a memory that she loves, she will not get rid of it. Anything.
I feel like if I throw away the piece, I'm throwing away a memory.
I'm the same way, but I learned that I have to. Otherwise, I have too much stuff.
So we're gonna go through my lingerie. I think this is what I decided to keep. I don't have a spot for it. Should we go into Nate's closet? But we got some room up here to put bins. We could put this in a bin and put it up there. And then he can pick what I end up wearing, JK. Before we go through and organize my lingerie, Haley really has to help me get rid of workout clothes because I don't even work out. Why do I own this much workout clothes? And this is my workout clothes drawer. So we're just gonna go.
My hair is turning white. That's what my barber tells me so. You know it seems kind of fitting.
What is on my nightstand? A haul. A mug full of water. Another empty gross glass of old water. A claw clip. And tissues. Bedroom done. So in the footage you guys saw from 2 weeks ago, I literally cleaned the kitchen, the living room. It's pretty much stayed clean out there. We took down the tree, but one thing I didn't do that I said I was gonna do in the vlog was clean my glam suite and my closet. There's just a lot of clutter. There's so much in there that I haven't gotten rid of, and it's just taking up room, taking up space, and it's just cluttery. So we're gonna go through that right now, and I'm just gonna show you guys the stuff I don't show in my normal videos. Like this is tea. So I always show this glam suite, right? I always show in here. I always show my closet. I always show my living room. I don't show my bedroom. You guys just saw my bedroom. Here is a place you guys never see, and this is the clutter entryway. It's so bad, guys. Oh my god, I gotta do towels. Like, this is where the decluttering is gonna happen. This is how much of a hoarder I am, right? I save every single PR card I get from a brand. I got old candles, CBD. I have so many wildflower phone cases and Casetify. And I have even more. Okay, so the tea is that I'm not gonna take out anything that's in here. For me, I need this organizer dresser thing. But this has gotta go. Okay, we're getting rid of this dead plant. I'm sorry, I'm a horrible plant mom. Honestly, like, it's taking everything in me to stay focused and keep cleaning and to just like pull through and finish this. But if I'm motivating you guys, like, that's all I can ask for, is that like this video is motivating you guys to get out of your depressive slump, get your shit together, start the new year off right, no matter how shitty it was on New Year's. But yeah. Also, Haley was so awesome as to go out and get some bins to organize stuff. She also found these blue wiry bins, which, by the way, I kind of want to put these in my closet. I just think they're so cute. They're so aesthetic. Now we got to go to the glam suite. This is my glam suite. If you guys don't know, I literally say this in every video. This is a hallway turned into like an extension of my closet. My closet is really in there, but then we have more clothes, we have jewelry, we have accessories. That's the bathroom where we get ready. Okay, now that you guys know what the glam suite is, I have a coat problem. Guys, like, my disorganization is getting the best of me. Like, I don't want to get rid of things. Should we start there, or should we start in the closet, making room for things we can move from the hallway to the closet? We should start in here. So my biggest problem in my closet is my pants and my sweatpants. I wear pants and sweatpants all the time, so I don't want to get rid of everything I own. So I need to find a solution for where to store all my pants and sweatpants, because this is the only room I got for them. Since we don't want to get rid of my sweatpants because I actually wear them, I think I'm gonna turn this part of my closet wall into my sweatpants folded up, just like over there. Here we have my pants and my denim. It works so well. Or another game plan we can do is go through my tops drawer and try to hang up everything, because I have a lot of extra hangers, and then put my sweats in there so there's no clutter here. That's the game plan. My friend got me a boob sweatshirt. I love it. All right, guys, we have made insane progress. Not only is it clean, but everything has a place. My favorite part so far is the fact that my sweatpants, all the sets are together with their matching top. It's a little tight, but it'll do. And I like that I finally have colored sections back, like specifically here. We are gonna finally organize this purse disaster. They used to be color-coded, believe it or not. This is my Nani's bag. She gave it to me. It's Polo, Ralph Lauren. So cute. Real vintage. I'm overwhelmed, but I know this is gonna feel so good. Fireball. We got color coordination.
So this is 27. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I should grow up too, but I still act like I'm 11. I'm not emotional.
The next thing we're gonna tackle is going through this new arrivals rack and putting some of these away in there and clearing this off and moving some jackets from this cluttered closet over to this rack. And then we'll call the closet cleaned out. Then we will move on to the bathroom, and then we officially have cleaned every room.
Since I left you, and no, I don't like to be the bad guy. I won't be surprised if I'm the last one now.
My North Face that was hiding in that closet that I love so dearly. I'm gonna wear this to New York City, Haley. Yes, guys, you are getting a New York City vlog next on this channel, but it has a twist on it. It's not what you're thinking, and I'm really excited for that vlog. So subscribe if you want to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna leave you guys here with that. Subscribe, click the bell if you guys want to see my next video. Yes, I do go to New York City. I'm really excited about this next video. I know I had a really weird start to my 2022, but I know for a fact that it's not going to go that way the rest of the year, and I want this video to help motivate you guys into getting out of slumps. I feel like when life seems overwhelming, you should just slow down, pause, and start with the little things in your life, like doing your dishes, cleaning your kitchen. Those little things literally declutter your brain. It's all correlated. Dream messy room. But I hope you guys did enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in New York City in my next vlog. Bye.